Welcome back again, everyone. It's Dina Calmetta here with CWW7 News. And for today's broadcast, I have a quick breaking news report I'd like to bring to you in regards to China. It is being reported by the Japan Times that China has deployed its carrier killer missile to the country's northwest, just a day after the U.S. Navy sailed a warship in the South China Sea. China's DF-26 ballistic missile, which reportedly has a range of 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers, was mobilized to the country's northwest plateau and desert areas. This is being reported by the state-run Global Times newspaper. While the actual deployment date was not mentioned, the timing of the report's release coincided with the U.S. Freedom of Navigation operations near Chinese-held islands in the South China Sea, a move China blasted as a provocation. The Global Times report alluded to the U.S. operation, quoting an unidentified expert as noting that the deployment is a good reminder that China is capable of safeguarding its territory. Even when launched from deeper inland areas of China, the DF-26 has a range far-reaching enough to cover the South China Sea. The newspaper called the DF-26 a new generation of intermediate-range ballistic missile that is capable of targeting medium and large ships at sea. According to the Pentagon's 2018 report on Chinese military power, the Road Mobile missile, first fielded in 2016, is capable of conducting conventional and nuclear precision strikes against ground targets and conventional strikes against naval targets in the Western Pacific and Indian Oceans and the South China Sea. China's defense ministry announced that the missile had been officially deployed last April, and CCTV stated on Tuesday that weapons are now capable of mobile operations across the country. Experts say that a mobile missile launch from deep inside China's interior would be more difficult to intercept than a launch from an area closer to the shore. This is because in the initial launch phase, the missile is relatively slow and easy to detect, making it a ripe target for enemy anti-missile strikes. After the launch enters its latter stages, the missile speed is so fast that the chances of interception dwindle significantly. And this missile's deployment has also stoked concern in Japan, home to a number of key U.S. military bases. According to a June 2017 report published by the Center for New American Security think tank, while the United States' main focus on the DF-26 has been aircraft carriers, the missile also boisters China's ability to target and destroy U.S. bases in the region, a capability experts say remains an underappreciated challenge. It goes on even further to report that the greatest military threat to U.S. vital interests in Asia may be one that has received somewhat less attention: the growing capability of China's missile forces to threaten U.S. bases in the region. Tensions are definitely starting to skyrocket in the South China Sea. Now, hopefully nothing will happen, but I will definitely continue to keep you updated. I just wanted to bring you guys this quick report today. Please do leave your comments in the comments section. Tell me what you think. And if you have a chance, come and visit us on Facebook, where we have these stories and many more, as well as our website at www.cww7news.org. All right, everyone. Thank you so much.